Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nadine Agustin in the grade 10 Science 3, number 25. I'm here to explain about analytical exposition text. The first definition, analytical exposition text, an argumentative text presenting the reader opinion which are backed by logical supporting ideas. Next, social function. The purpose of an exposition text is to persuade your audience to look at an issue with your perspective. Then we moving on to the general structure. The general structure of an analytical exposition is divided into three steps: title, introduction, and conclusion. The first one is title. It tells about the topic of the essay. Next, there are introduction or thesis statement. It introduces the topic and shows speaker or reader position. There are argument. This section contains the author argument against the issue or even being discussed by him. Usually, there are two or more opinions that serve to support the main topic. The last one is conclusion or a reiteration. It could also be every statement because it restates the speaker of reader position. Next, language feature of an exposition text. The first one, use the simple present tense. Second, use mental verb. Then use say in verb such as people say it is said. Using relational process. Using conjunction such as first, second, third, next. Using evaluative word. For instance, important, valuable. Using casual conjunction. For example, because of, be, despite. Use connecting word such as additionally, secondly, first. Now let's analyze the text again with its structure and language feature. As you can see, please stay at home is the title. The fact that the pandemic coronavirus infected more and more victims, I believe people should stay home to stop the pandemic disease for some reason. The first paragraph is the introduction. The first, people should stay home because if they have physical contact, people will be either infected as others. Research indicates that the virus spread through physical contact, which means the more physical contact it happens, the higher the risk of the virus spreading. The second, people have to stay home. So for the people who has been infected can take the virus to infect others because by staying at home, you can do an independent isolation for 2 weeks and monitor your health while contacting the medical care for further information. The last, staying home makes people cure themselves instead of infect the other. Just like the very first point, if you are not a high-risk patient, then you can help yourself at home independently. It can also help medical work to work in hospital with patients who are more at risk. The third paragraph is the polity or argument. All of These efforts are not only about not getting the coronavirus, but more so not spreading it to other people that may not be able to fake it off easily. There are many ways that could affect conscience that people should care about fighting this pandemic, and staying home is one of it. The last paragraph is got an conclusion, which include use the simple present tense are I believe people should stay home. People have to stay home. There are many ways that could affect. There are things that include use mental prep is I believe. Next, which include use conjunction are first, second, last, and but, so, for, which include use casual conjunction are because and by. The last which include use connecting word independently and easily. So much for me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.